Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Elvini Diasari with NPM 2448101P. I am a management student at Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. Today we are diving into one of the most critical pillars of technopreneurship is the customer and the market. In the world of technology, we often get distracted by cool features or fancy coding, but as technopreneurs, we must remember technology is the tool, but the customer is the purpose. We will explore who our customers really are, how to find them, and how to measure the vast ocean we call the market. First, let's clear up a common confusion. In many tech business, the user and the customer are not the same person. The user is the person who interact with your app or software daily, and then the customer is the person or entity that actually pay for it. Why doesn't this matter? Because in technopreneurship, your product must solve a problem for the user so effectively that the customer find in worth paying for. We call is the value proposition. You are just selling software, you are selling a solution to a specific pain point. You cannot sell to everyone. If you try to sell to everyone, you end up selling to no one. This is where the STP model come in. Number one is segmentation. We divide the broad market into smaller group. We look at demographic, example age, gender, income, and geographic is where they live, and most importantly in tech, psychographic is their taste, savviness, their value, and their digital behavior. Number two is targeting. Once we have the segment, we pick one. For a startup, we usually look for the early adopters. These are the people who are willing to try your buggy first version because they have a problem that needs solving right now. Number three is positioning. This is how you want to be perceived. Are you the cheap option, the premium option, or the easiest to use option? In tech, being the most user-friendly is often a winning position. Technopreneurs don't just create product, they fulfill job to be done. This theory, popularized by Clayton Christensen, suggested that customers hire a product to do a job. In your presentation or business plan, you must identify pain. What is frustrating your customer right now? It's slow speed, high cost, or complexity. And then gains. What will make them happy? Better data security, automatic reporting, and pain relief. First, exactly how does your technology stop the pain? To wrap things up, remember that in technopreneurship, the tech is only 15% of the equation. The other 15% is understanding the human being on the other side of the screen, identify their pain, segment your market, calculate your opportunity, and always validate your assumption. I hope this presentation has been insightful for your journey into the world of technopreneurship. Once again, I am Elvini Diasari. Thank you so much for your attention. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.